Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show a step-by-step tutorial on how to share Amazon Prime Video membership with friends. So first we're going to go to our Amazon app, not the Prime one, but the official Amazon app. Then I'm going to click on an account profile. Then here you're going to scroll downwards. So when you see your account, you're going to click on see all. Then here you're going to scroll again. Then click on manage your Amazon family. Then here it's going to allow you to add a new member. So you guys could add your friends here. As you can see, it's reliable for shopping for Prime Video and Alexa as well. So you guys could go back to members, then add a new member. This could be any of your friends. So this must be an adult. Then create a profile in your account. You're going to click on it. Then you're going to write their name and all their necessary information for them. So once you're done, you're going to click on create. So this is how you do it. I hope you guys liked this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.